Justin with PSA. Today we're going to be talking about 5.56 ammo. All 5.56 rounds aren't the same, and using the wrong round could be costing you. Today we're going to go over the different types of 5.56 ammo and when you should use them. First up, let's talk about training ammo. If you're just hitting the range, training ammo is the perfect choice for you. We're talking about rounds like 55 grain or 62 grain full metal jacket rounds. They're reliable, they're pretty affordable, and they're great for getting in reps, especially under 100 to 200 yards. The next step you'll take is stepping up to a match grade ammo type. These are typically loaded with 69 to 77 grain projectiles, and they are typically loaded to a tighter tolerance. This means tighter groups and better results when you shoot out to distance. The last type of ammo you're going to commonly see is hunting rounds. This includes soft points, polymer tips, or bonded rounds. All these are designed to expand on impact and provide ethical results when you're out on a hunt. We hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have other questions about ammo, drop a comment below and let us know which types of ammo you want to learn more about.